Hey guys, this is me in the future. The video that you are about to see is a video that was pre-filmed from I think a week ago, and I totally forgot to film an intro as I usually do. So here I am doing a random intro. You guys are going to be seeing a brand new review on a new foundation that just launched. This is the new Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. This one contains hyaluronic acid as well as collagen. This one was a purchase from Amazon. I ordered it because I saw Samich. If you guys don't watch her, you guys definitely should. I love her videos, her style of videos. I love her as a content creator. So I saw that she reviewed the new Maybelline foundation, and you guys know that I love reviewing anything that is drugstore affordable foundations. My name, my heart is all in it. Also, they came out with some new Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush, and I picked up just one shade, which is the shade that I thought I would use or I would like, and this is in the shade 30 Coral, as well as well, actually I know that these are not new. They're ink crayons, but I believe that they added some new shades, so I ended up picking up this one in the shade Trust Your Gut, which is a really pretty like nude cool tone color. So yeah, we're just going to be doing a quick little review on these products. I'm going to be showing you guys a full review, a demo, as well as a 7 to 8 hour wear test on all three products, so you guys can see how this works. With that said, let me just go ahead and jump to the next clip, which I'm going to be wearing a totally different outfit, just so you know, and my hair is totally different too. This is the first item that we're going to test out. We're going to see how good it is. I personally love brow gels. I typically go for a clear brow gel because I like to fill in my brows, but we're going to try this and see how it goes. This is in the shade of Black Brown. Now, this one is a small little brush. If you guys can see that, it has like little spikes at the end. So what I'm going to do is, because I've already filled in my brows, which I look crazy, I know, I'm going to use this to fill them in to see if I need to go back with a brow pencil or a powder to fill them in, because this is supposed to do that for you. So let's find that out. I'm going to go in with the small spoolie side first. Fill them in like that. Okay, this is definitely depositing color into the brows. This is going to work really well if you already have naturally full brows and you just want to add a little bit of color to it, because it is doing a good job at like filling in the bald spots. But there are some areas where there's just like no hair and only skin, and I am going to have to go back and fill those areas in. It's doing a good job at actually adding color to the brows. I'm not going to bring them in because I like to do this part lighter than the rest of my eyebrows. So that looks good so far. I'm going to go ahead and just finish off the brows really quick, and then we can jump right into the foundation. Now I'm going to pull up my Amazon account so I can show you guys or tell you guys a little bit more about the foundation. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is just a glass bottle, and it says Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. Now this claims to have hyaluronic acid and collagen. This one was $10.99, and I am in the shade 80 Cashew, or at least I hope I am. There's 20 shades to choose from. This one claims to provide a 12-hour hydration. Skin looks healthy, plumped, and radiant from within. Even skin tone conceals imperfections. It feels lightweight and breathable on skin. It says to be, this claims to be buildable coverage, skin-loving serum formulated with hyaluronic acid and collagen. Doesn't clog pores, and it is dermatologist tested. I don't know when this foundation will be available at like Walmart and CVS and all those stores, but I'm guessing it's going to be available pretty soon if it's already available on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and take my Fenty matte primer, which is the one that I've been using ever since I received it pretty much. By the way, the brow gel is doing a really good job at setting the brows. Like, they feel a little bit hard, like crunchy almost, but not in a bad way, you know? Like, you know this is going to last all day. Okay, so let's do one side with my beauty blender, and then on the other side we're gonna do a brush to see which one we like the most. So I'm gonna do one pump, and on the left side, yeah, on the left side I'm gonna go in with the foundation brush, and let's see. Oh my gosh, the color is perfect. This is definitely not full coverage. Do you guys see that little blackhead right there? I'm not trying to flip you off, but this little blackhead right here, it's not covering it up. So let me just finish the face, or this side of the face. We're gonna go back and build the foundation right here to see if it does do a good job at actually layering. This foundation is going to be perfect for those people that have drier skin, especially now for the winter time. I feel like I almost reach for more dewy foundations because my skin does tend to dry out a little bit. So, and this is what my skin looks like. Obviously you can see like discoloration here, and then this little mark, redness around the nose, and just a few little like leftover acne. And this side doesn't look too luminous, but it definitely looks like my skin but better. Definitely looks a lot more dewy. I can definitely say that this side is way more dewy with a sponge than the brush. So if you wanted to get a more dewy effect, I'd definitely go in with the Beauty Blender. But for me, I'd probably go in with the brush. So there's the foundation. Now looking at my skin up close, not really loving it, you guys. I thought I was going to like it a little bit more because, like I said, I've been into like dewier foundations, but I am noticing that it's really accentuating my pores, which other foundations that I've been using normally doesn't do this. It does a decent job at covering some imperfections, but if you have little imperfections like this, obviously don't expect for this to cover them. You will have to go back a few times, and even then it's still not going to cover them as much. So this is definitely for somebody that has clear skin, dry skin, that you just want a healthy glow to your skin with some coverage to look put together, presentable, but not have a full beat face. You might like this foundation. So it is currently 12:14 p.m. I am going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face off camera, and I will show you guys how it looks. I am pre-filming some videos, so if you guys see me wearing the same thing, looking the same, it's probably because of that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off everything else off camera. I will come back, show you guys how it looks, and then we can do like a 6 or 8 hour wear test to see how this foundation holds up on oily skin. Wish me luck. I totally forgot that I had this one. So this is the new Gel Cream Blush. This is a sheer flush of color. It's supposed to be lightweight. This is in the shade Coral Amber, which is obviously like a shade that I would go for because I love anything peach. This one says, let's see, so apply with fingers, squeeze 1 to 2 dots onto fingertips, tap onto the apples of your cheeks, then blend smoothly into skin. A little goes a long way. For a more pigmented flush look, add more product as desired. The little squeezy tube is kind of cute. Like, you just open it. I am going to squeeze them to the back of my hand. So those are 2 dots. I'm going to blend them. Oh, wow. That is very, very liquidy. It does say that it's a gel form, so okay, I do see a little bit of color. I don't know about this blush though because it's kind of getting mixed with the powder and the foundation and the bronzer. So this is something that I feel like you have to use on its own, which I would reach for this for the days that I'm really like very minimal, very basic with my makeup, which is very rare. The time that you guys see me with full-on face is because I am either filming, but if I'm not filming and if I need to go out and get groceries, whatever it is, and I still want to look presentable, this is something that I would reach for just to add a little bit of flush onto the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and step out, do what I gotta do. It is 12:28 now, and I will be back in about 6 to 8 hours. And yeah, we will see how the foundation and the blush is holding on. Before I run out the door, I wanted to try this product with you guys as well. This is, I'm guessing it's a new shade because this line is not new to Maybelline. This is the Super Stay Ink Crayon, and this is in the shade Trust Your Gut. I'm pretty sure it's new. It was in the new page when I was shopping on Amazon. So let's see the color, because I think I've tried a few of these. I just don't remember if I like them. Ooh, okay. That's super creamy. That is a really pretty color. Oh my god, I really like this color. It is a really pretty, like, nudish mauve pink. I'm living for it. Alright guys, that is it. I'm going to go ahead and check out for sure this time now. Again, it is now 12:46, so I'll be back in about 6 to 8 hours to do my final check-in. Oh my god, I just saw my face and I look like a grease ball. Okay, you guys, I am back. I just got back home and it is freezing outside. You guys know that I live in Utah. Oh, it is so cold here. This jacket is literally the only thing that keeps me warm because I'm cold 24/7. If you guys are wondering where this cute teddy bear jacket is from, it's like my current obsession. This is actually from Kohl's, and it has this big old hoodie, and it's from the brand Madden. I think it's called the Madden Girl, which is the same brand as Steve Madden. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know in case you guys are curious. So let's do a little review, shall we? Because wow, first of all, my voice is still not 100% there. Second of all, wow, am I greasy. Okay, so this right here and this is highlight because I did another video. I think that one should be up already. If it is, I will link it up here. That is the Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette or highlighters review. So that's why I'm like extra glowy today. But obviously also because this foundation did not pass the oily skin test. I kind of had a feeling that was going to happen. I'm just going to take a look at my skin up close so we can really see what's going on. Okay, so I am definitely extremely oily right here, which is my T-zone. My T-zone is always the oiliest, but I've also noticed that right here on the side, I have so much dog hair on me. I feel like the blush is still there though, which I was not expecting, and wow, I am surprised that it lasted this long. My brows are still intact, like they're not faded. And also my lipstick, I think it did a pretty good job at like holding up. I have not retouched my lipstick at all, and I did have a pretty like heavy meal. I made, oh my god, you guys, I wish you could taste it. I made stuffed chicken breasts. You stuff them with Parmesan and then you bake them in the oven with marinara sauce. It was so bomb. So mama ate good, and I barely got any lipstick off. It's still there. I did have a little bit of a transfer up here and down here, but other than that, it did a really good job at just staying on my lips overall. So I personally don't like this foundation. I had a feeling since the beginning that I wasn't going to like it, but I wasn't expecting to get this dewy. So really quickly, what I like to do when foundations like this fails for me, I'm going to do the little blotting test to see if it would work. So I'm going to take my blotting powder, and this one is from Pure Cosmetics. Also, my foundation did settle into my fine line here pretty bad. Wow, look at that. Big difference. Like my skin still looks super highlighted because it's the highlighters that are this intense. But I think now overall it looks good. I mean, that is really all I wanted to tell you guys as far as how you can make it work if you have a foundation that you love, but it just makes you too oily. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'm kind of bummed out that the foundation didn't work out for me. I don't know what I'm going to do with this because I don't think I can use it, honestly, especially during the summer. So I'm going to have to pass it on to maybe my sister if she wants it. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today on this review. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below as always. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, you guys.